finally got a 5-star read recently in this video, and now nothing is hitting the same. You know that feeling where you just physically cannot put the book down? I need that feeling again, so I made a decision. I am going to read Alice Sweeney books back to back until I got a 5-star read. And I'm calling it right now that one of these books is going to break me. Let's see if I'm right or if I'm about to be disappointed. Hello to all my sweethearts, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is honestly one of the most exciting experiment I have done in a while. So here's the plan. I am going to read her books back to back, and the books that I've chosen for today's video is first Beautiful Ugly, which is kind of a new release, and I really want to read that, and I do have a paperback of it. Second I have is Good Bad Girl. Third book that I have is My Husband's Wife. And the fourth and the final book that I have for this video is Rock, Paper, Scissors. All of these books are gems, okay? All of these books are those books which people gave 5 stars to. So, yes, without any further delay, let's just get into the video.
We carved our names into the sycamore by the trail where no one goes anymore. You wore that blue flannel, I wore your smile. Felt like forever in those woods for a while. We were fireflies in a jar, trying to outshine.
Started with Beautiful Ugly and finished it before giving you any mid reviews that I usually give in all of my videos, because I couldn't stop. I do not want to stop, and that is also the reason I film less. वरना मैं और भी कुछ शूट करती रीड करते का, but I couldn't help myself. I just do not want to stop reading this book. I was immediately pulled in. The writing smooth, the vibe dark, slightly unsettling, and secluded, mainly exactly what I want. So in this story we follow our MMC. His name is Grady, and he is an author. He called his wife to tell her that he became New York Times bestseller. I think her name is Abby. She's driving and she gets out of a car to help that person who is lying on the road, even when her husband is telling her not to do so because he thinks that something might happen to his wife. But she didn't listen, and Abby gets out of her car to help that person who is lying on the road, and then she disappears from the cliff road. And then story moves to after 1 year, where Grady, who is a best-selling author then, but now he couldn't write anything. He's not able to write anything because he is in grief. He almost lost everything. He don't have any money left in his bank account. So his agent convinced him to move to this secluded island where the population is very less. She said that you need a place to write and that island is perfect for you. But when he reaches the island, he finds out that there is a woman who is eerily similar to her wife. I really want to love this. Like, I was rooting for it. It didn't hit as hard as I wanted it to be. It wasn't bad. It do has that jaw-dropping moment at the very end of this book, but I kind of guessed the plot twist, which is very strange for an Alice Sweeney book. Basically, I have two persons in my mind that I thought that may be included in this chaos, and those two persons were actually there at the ending. So yes, this is the reason I do not give this book a 5 star, but it is indeed a good 4-star book to me. And yes, there's this one dog in this book also, and his name is Columbo. And that Columbo is the most likable character in the whole book. Columbo will make you feel everything less intense and less dangerous. I really love that dog as a character here, and till the very end, he was there because I was so scared about this dog part. I thought that maybe something will happen to Columbo, but no, she didn't try that, and I am so thankful to her for that, because if something had happened to that dog, I would immediately bring down the rating to 3.5 stars. But now I give it 4 stars. I really do like the very end. The very end is actually the moment, that jaw dropping moment. But still, I guessed two characters in this book. So my final rating for Beautiful Ugly is good 4 stars. And now I have a plan. I really do want to read these two books, which is Good Girl, Bad Blood and My Husband's Wife.
Wait, did I just say Good Girl, Bad Blood?
It's Good Bad Girl by Alice Sweeney, not by Holly Jackson. So I really do want to read Good Bad Girl and My Husband's Wife. So I am going for audiobook for Good Bad Girl, and I am going for paperback for My Husband's Wife. And I'm thinking in my mind that I will read these two books simultaneously. I have really, really, really high expectations from my husband's wife because everyone over internet gave it 5 stars, and I also think that maybe I also give this book 5 stars because the title is really intriguing to me. My brother saw this title and he was like, "What are you reading all the time?" And I was like, "It is what it is." तो इसलिए मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा ये टाइटल, और इसीलिए मुझे लगता है कि ये 5 स्टार हो सकता है. सो आई रीड both of these and we'll see अगर हमें 5 स्टार मिलता है या नहीं इन दोनों में से. अगर नहीं मिलता है तो we have the last option to read rock paper scissors. This story has two timelines. One is present and one is 6 months before. In the present timeline, Eden, who is an artist, sets off for a run before her art exhibition. But when she returns after running, her key to the door doesn't fit in the lock. And when she knocked on the door, hoping for her husband to open the door, but she finds that a woman, eerily similar to her, opens up the door, claiming to be her, like to be Eden Fox. And her husband also do not recognize her and bang the door close on her face, and she left alone in that secluded place. She don't know what just happened. She even can't process it because she just went for a run, and when she came, there's nothing. There's nothing hers. Everything is completely changed. Her home, her belongings, and everything is just changed. And she left alone in this secluded place. I did not finish this book yet, but this is, oh my god. You might be thinking that my reaction is loud, but you couldn't understand it if you haven't read this. Remember, I predicted that this would be a 5 star, and indeed, it is a 5 star. Though I haven't read it completely, but I know I have that feeling, and I think I'm completely right about it. The expectations very, very high from the very beginning. Something felt very different about this book from the rest of the book that we have read in this vlog, and I think I am not going to finish this book. This book is going to finish me. These two things most of the time is similar in Alice Cheney books. First is secluded places, islands, and all that, and second is unhappy marriages. In 6 months earlier timeline, there's this woman Birdie who inherited a house, and it is basically a gift from her lost grandmother. When she went into the house, she finds letters that are claiming to predict her death date. This is really crazy. I am literally just wow from this book. From the very beginning, from the very, very beginning, it will hook you like anything, and you'll be like, what just happened? And yes, in this book, I'm not able to guess anything till now, and that is also the reason why I have this high expectations from it, and I have that feeling for it that is going to be a solid 5 star read. I could feel that something big is coming from this book. I could feel that.
Sometimes I feel like walking on my hands. Dishes are done, the laundry's folded neat. Nothing left to do but feel an itch in my feet.
I finally finished these two books, और ये है almost 4-5 days after जो last आपने क्लिप देखी उससे. इन 5 दिनों में मैंने ये दोनों बुक खत्म कर ली. पहले मैंने My Husband's Wife फिनिश कर दी थी because I was not able to stop myself reading it, and ऑडियो बुक में मैंने Good Bad Girl उसके बाद फिनिश करी थी. पर हमें हमारा 5 स्टार पहले मिल गया था. जो हमारा वीडियो का टाइटल है कि अंटिल आई फाइंड 5 स्टार, तो 5 स्टार तो मुझे पहले मिल गया था. बट माई गुड बैड गर्ल मैंने शुरू कर दी थी, तो आई वाज लाइक अब तो फिनिश तो कर ही दूँ. सो आई थिंक फर्स्ट आई टॉक अबाउट गुड बैड गर्ल. So in this story, there are four main characters: Cleo, Edith, Frankie, and Patience. And Patience is the character that I find hard time to recognize that it is a proper noun. I don't know why. It's just a me thing. So Edith is an old lady. She's 80-year-old or something, and she is living in care home. And the name of the care home is Windsor Care Home, I think. And she is planning to escape from that care home. But in the midst of her planning, someone has been unalived. So now she must leave sooner than later. And there's also a second timeline in which a baby is stolen from the stroller in the supermarket. And this is the point where the story start. Now talking about the other characters, that is Frankie. She is a librarian in prison. Her 18-year-old daughter left the home and she went missing. The other woman is Patience. She's working at care home and befriended with Edith. She works there as a caretaker, but she might be a liar or a thief. And there's this one incident happened in this book, and I am like, what? She pick up a toothbrush of a patient, not a patient, matlab, of an old age person who is living in the Windsor care home, and she cleanses the toilet with his toothbrush because the person was kind of rude to him. It just icks me out. The final character is Cleo. Cleo is Edith's daughter, and they both have an estranged relationship with each other because something had happened in their past that led to this estranged relationship. She is a therapist and she cures everyone except herself. Overall, in this story, Alice Sweeney literally discussed a lot of sensitive topics like mother daughter relationship, dysfunctional family drama, and postpartum depression. And I have given this book a good 3.5 star. The reason why I give 3.5 is it is a character driven book. So if you are someone who loves a thriller that is more character driven than plot driven or plot heavy, maybe you like this book. But I like plot. I like more than characters. I want to see the plot of that book. It is not something that I really look forward to. And also, I kind of guessed that who is the baby who is stolen 20 years back in the past timeline. And this is also one of the reason why I have given the next book 5 star, which I'm going to talk in a few minutes. And yes, I forgot to mention one more character. Its name is Dickens. He is the dog of Edith. And as always, when there's a dog in the book, I for some reason just feel more inclined toward that book. Now it's finally the time to talk about our 5 star read. I'm just very, very excited. The writing pulled me instantly, and the story was so fast. From the very beginning, it is so fast paced, and there is so much lying in this book. Everyone is lying from each other, and everyone is connected to each other in the best way possible or in the worst way possible. I know that there are foible characters in this book, and there are few plot holes also in this book, but I do not care about that because I really, really enjoyed it. There are lots and lots of plot twists in this book. My mind was circling. I know that the characters in it are not that layered, and this book is not like character driven more, it is more plot driven. Real strength of this book lies in fast paced, unpredictable narrators rather than its character work, and I prefer these kinds of books. It would be a 6 star read if the characters are more layered in it. In Alice Sweeney books, there are not even a single character who is trustable, benevolent, or cordial. Each and every character are suspicious, distrustful, and male factors. So my experiment is officially complete. If you are planning to read her, know this that you are signing in for good writing, short chapter, mystery that you cannot unfold, and definitely an unhinged couple, and also one cute thing that is dogs. Have you read any Alice Sweeney book, and which one do you love the most? Do comment. I hope you enjoyed this reading vlog. If you do, then do hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and please come back again. And if you have any other thriller book or any other idea or any other thing that you want me to do, this is a CTA for you. Okay, just do comment to let me know that which book should I read next. Please do hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and please come back
You
again.
got a
Bye.
match and a half-lit grin, leaning like trouble I should've stayed in. Boots on my floor, lies